Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 4th of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. It's ECB day and I'm going to be looking at euro dollar now, and the euro dollar forex pair is going to be very volatile this afternoon. That's certainly going to be very much in the focus, because if you look at these days here back from June and May, those were both on ECB days, and it's likely to be we're going to have a similar sort of day today, just blowing out supports and resistances all through. And to be honest, it's quite difficult to give an intraday technical appraisal because I think all these levels will just be utterly destroyed. Anyway, so the initial level to look out for certainly would be 31.60, but I think any sort of disappointment from Draghi, where he doesn't really allude to further easing, I think will create a short squeeze on the euro, and you could see rather a sharp move to the upside. 32.20 is the initial key resistance, and then 32.40. Those are both 80 to 100 pips higher. So, but that's not within the realms of fantasy in terms of move for the euro on a day like today. So those are a couple of levels you need to bear in mind. On the downside, you're looking at 31. Basically 31 big figure, because that 31 figure is that key September low that I keep talking about from last year. And then below that, you're looking at that 30 big figure, which is the downside target from that big head and shoulders top pattern. I mean, in front of this data, we are basically seeing a bit of consolidation in the euro. That's what we've seen for the past few days. That's pretty much why we've gone sideways, I think, because the market is fairly concerned that it might see a short squeeze, and Draghi might disappoint. But who knows what he's going to come out with this afternoon. The likelihood is that he's not going to come out with anything too drastic, and he's more than that. I think the expectation is that he's going to announce some sort of asset purchase scheme of asset-backed securities, and that could well not be enough to placate the market, which is basically priced in. Or in the process of pricing in full-blown QE. So I think that could create a short squeeze on the upside, and that may well be where we're looking. But it's going to be significant volatility, because throughout that speech he's going to be making comments, and that tends to be what happens through the press conference. So I wish you good luck in your trading on the euro today. It goes without saying that the ECB press conference this afternoon at 1:30 is going to be the big event, and create a significant amount of volatility, and you need to be aware of that. I'm still a seller into strength on the euro, even if there is a short squeeze. I think that ultimately we will be pulling lower. My medium to longer term outlook remains bearish. I think 33.30 is a very strong resistance now on the euro, and I think any sort of rebound, maybe between 32 and 33 big figure, if you got it, I think you'd be probably looking at that as a chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.